Today's pose is called gate latch pose. So to begin with this pose, extend one leg out to the side and try to point the toes as much as you can. And inhale, come up. Just come up, bring the hands to heart center, get reset. Inhale, take your arms over your head. Exhale, drop the hand to the leg as far as is comfortable. So you may be up here and you're arching the other side, opening these ribs. And if it's comfortable, you can look under the arm. You just hold that for a couple breaths. Inhale up, reset. Exhale, drop the hand. You can use the block or you can have the hand on the floor, whatever's comfortable for you. And now you're arching the other side, looking under the arm. This is also a great pose for opening up the ribs. You're stretching what's called intercostal muscles in and around the ribs, stretching a little bit of the hip, the leg, arms obviously, and shoulders.
Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for next week's Yoga Minute by liking Real Yoga LLC on Facebook, subscribing to the Yoga Chuck YouTube channel, or visiting www.yogachuck.com.